Hello and welcome to Eden View Living, where we do everything home and garden. I want to welcome our new subscribers. I hope you feel comfortable here. So today I'm going to be planting up this very big and beautiful planter. And guys, I cannot believe somebody gave me this pot for free. It was a couple, a man and a woman. They just gave me this pot for free. And to be honest, I was really touched by the generosity and the kindness of some people, because these pots are very, very expensive. And these people were really kind enough to just let me get it for free. So it's taught me something in my life, to have that giving spirit, to give especially something beautiful, something wonderful to somebody. You don't know what sort of joy it's going to create in somebody's life. So I always cherish this pot. If you're new here, feel free to check out my older videos when I started to renovate this garden. I'm very happy of the work that I've done in the garden. I did everything from scratch, and every plant that you see, I have planted it, and it just makes me smile. And I'm now at a point where I'm just enjoying the garden, and I think the garden gives me more than what I put in it, so it was worth it. So guys, just enjoy as I carry on planting this big beautiful pot. And thank you very much for stopping by my channel. If you have not subscribed, please feel free to subscribe and enjoy. Until next time, goodbye. Ta-da.